it seems that I'm expecting that this is will support that the Islamic Bank should encourage the murabaha. Should. In the end, okay? Because if that is correct, I mean, is significant enough, then we support it. But then I'm puzzled on one hand, I'm puzzled. On the other hand, also I'm puzzled on the other side, but down payment is great. Because you get a system where murabah have to have features like down payment. Yes. So why do we go to others method where the consumer has to provide the down payment? And then you are not using, let's say for example, you are not using the murabah, probably you use other methods. Probably much should say that based on the participatory participation. And the second one is on the delinquency rate and also the payment rate. It seems to me that finally the multiple regulation that we introduced in this disease, okay, we didn't think about the role of the economic sector. Okay, for example, if let's say you involve in a particular sector, we think that the delinquency rate is better than the other sectors. Okay, so this means that we should also consider the control variable. Okay, not only those that we have listed from X1 until X8, but we should also consider other control variable. Okay, for example, the economic variable, the characteristic of, let's say, the consumers, for example. Okay, so you must have that. Okay, not only the down payment effect on the delinquency body, but also other factors which can consider as a control.